Hello everybody, I'm Jeanette Schiller, independent distributor for GelMoment. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to give my daughter a manicure and a pedicure. Today we're going to use Heartbreak Pink and Lily of the Nile. So typically you would take the cuticle pusher and you would push the cuticles back. I don't do that with her because it hurts her fingers and I don't want to hurt her fingers. So we're still going to take the buffer and I'm going to buff her nails so very ever gently, just enough to get that daily oil off of her nails and not wreck or hurt her nail bed at all. She's got tiny fingernails. It's a little bit tougher to give them a buff. And then I'm going to take my cleanser pad and I'm going to cleanse her nails. And let them dry. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to paint them. So the first color I'm going to use today is Lily of the Nile. So you're just going to try very gently to embrace the gap and cap it, even though their fingernails are very tiny and can be a little bit harder to do. And she is a nail biter, so they're a little bit even more short. I find since putting GelMoment on that she doesn't bite them as often. So we're going to stick them under the 2-finger lap. Let them cure in 60 seconds. And then I will do the other 4 fingers with Heartbreak Pink. Once I'm done doing all 4 fingers, then I will do her thumbs because it's easier to tuck both thumbs in at the same time. Okay, so that finger's done. Now we'll do this hand with the Heartbreak Pink. Once again, trying to embrace the gap, pull it all the way to cap the tip. Making sure that you put your gel polish away from your lamp as well. I can push the button. So that your polish doesn't cure next to the lamp, and she loves touching the button and turning it on herself. So I do let her to do that as well. She's a future GelMoment rep in the making. Loves getting her nails done, loves watching mommy do them. Yep, we're going to do pink on her other thumb and then the blue as well. So I am going to just start her blue here. It's far enough away from the lamp that it's not going to cure my polish at all. And then we'll do her other thumb. Okay, let's do this thumb. Okay, pop them. Oops, I think I touched her thumb there a little bit, which is okay because if you do have a mistake, you can easily wipe it off and start over again. So I'm going to put the 2 thumbs underneath the lamp and turn them on, and they're almost done. So there we have it. We have beautiful manicured nails. One hand is Heartbreak Pink and the other hand is Lily of the Nile. Thank you for watching. Next we will do her pedicure. Okay, so now we're going to give her toes a paint. So I'm going to once again gently buff them. Get all that get any of the other dirt and residue off of them. Once again, we're going to use the Heartbreak Pink and the Lily of the Nile. Embracing the gap, making sure you're not touching the edges. Trying to get it all the way up so that you cap the tip. I think I can get 3 of her toes underneath the lamp because she's got little toes. Taking my cuticle pusher and just kind of cleaning the tip there where I got some polish on it. And put that under. It's going to cure. Make sure that your polish is away from your lamp. Her toes are probably small enough that I could have fit them all under the lamp, but you can see that, well, you can't really see, but over here too, the little toes kind of hang out, and I don't think that they would cure as well, so I am going to do it in 2 separate. If you had the 4-finger lamp, then you could stick the entire foot underneath. So while that's curing, I'm going to paint the other foot with Lily of the Nile. Okay, we'll pop that foot underneath the lamp. I'm going to pull this one over here to the side, and you can see that these ones are completely dry, nothing on my thumb. Such an amazing product. We love getting our pedicures and our manicures done on a weekly basis, sometimes more than once on a week. Okay, so that one's done, so we're going to stick this foot underneath. Okay, while that one's curing, we can put the Lily of the Nile on the other ones. And then we'll put that one back underneath. You can see that this toe is already done. Everything is dry. In 1 more minute, we will be all done. And she will have pretty toes and pretty nails to rock this week. Almost done. And there you have it. Her feet are done. You can see your hands, your fingernails.
My headphones.
Fingernails are good. Thank you. I'm Jeanette Schiller, independent distributor for GelMoment. I hope you enjoyed watching our video.